Stevens Creek Hydropower Plant. The Stevens Creek Hydropower Plant has been in continuous operation since its commissioning on February 16, 1914. Located on the Savannah River about 8 miles north of Augusta, Georgia, Stevens Creek Hydro was considered by local newspapers to be the most advanced engineering feat of its kind in the southeast United States when it was constructed in the early 20th century. This was due in part to its use of Kingsbury thrust bearings, as well as its impressive work camp for construction workers. When commissioned in 1914, it had an installed capacity of 11.8 megawatts, divided between 5 vertical units. This project was completed within 2 years, with a workforce of over 800 workers. Boarding houses, a butcher shop, bake shop, refrigerating and ice plant, and a commissary were built on the original work site. Because great care was taken to provide and safeguard the health of the camp, filtered water and sewage systems were provided, along with a fully equipped hospital with a resident physician in attendance at all times. During a rehabilitation and expansion project in 1925 and 1926, an additional 3 units were added to the plant, increasing the total capacity to 18.4 megawatts. Additionally, in 1933, the original Woodward mechanical governor were replaced with cross-gate positioners. Currently, the plant is undergoing work to replace these with new models made by American Governor. Currently, the plant, owned by South Carolina Electric and Gas, generates an estimated 94 gigawatt hours of electricity each year that's sent out to the Georgia grid. Since its commissioning, the plant has been in continuous operation 24 hours a day for the last century with no periods of inactivity. This accomplishment will be celebrated this year at a commemorative barbecue attended by company executives and local, state, and federal dignitaries, much like the barbecue that was held 100 years ago to celebrate the original commissioning of the plant. Based on its strong history of power generation, the Stevens Creek Hydro Plant is well on its way to be in operation for another century or more.